Let them tell you what they want and then give it to them.
Staying on top of e-commerce trends is a must if you're an online store owner, especially now that the holiday season is getting closer. Within the next few minutes, our expert Diana will tell you all about the most relevant online holiday shopping trends and how to use them for your e-commerce business. What kind of trends should I be looking out for as a store owner this holiday season?
Global inflation is in full swing right now, sadly. So you can expect your customers to start shopping early for gifts to avoid price hikes. This means you should be looking into starting your marketing campaigns early as well. Look into running a pre-Black Friday Cyber Monday campaign. Start early on your holiday designs. Start promoting your gifting collection so that you give your shoppers an opportunity to buy early from you.
I've started early. What else do I do? What other things should I be looking out for?
So your competition is growing because e-commerce is not slowing down, and we see more and more mass market brands are joining the online space. So you kind of have to look into how am I different and what can I offer my customer a huge brand can't. My advice would be narrow down your niche even more. We talk about it all the time. That's the most important thing you can do as a smaller business owner, to find that perfect customer and be a bigger fish in a smaller pond instead of trying to sell to everyone. And then the second thing is personalization trends are only growing, and it's something that you as a Printful customer, if you use certain integrations, can also offer on your store, giving your customer this cool opportunity to personalize their own product, adding their name, a picture that they want to add, or a slogan, or making a real kind of unique experience for them you can stand out with from these bigger brands.
So to recap, first I have to make sure that I've really narrowed down the niche that I'm serving. And next I should consider personalization. But when it comes to personalization, are there any specific product trends that we're seeing emerging?
We definitely see a growing demand on sustainable products. In fact, last year we saw a 200% growth in sustainable products on Printful compared to 2020. So that's something that I think most of our customers should look into, trying to offer more sustainable options to their customers. I actually read this research that was done recently, and it said that 80% of those who participated would be looking into sustainable products this year. Thankfully, we offer a bunch of eco-friendly products on Printful that you can offer on your store. All of these products are made out of 70% organic or recycled materials. Right now, there are 46 of them. By choosing print on demand, your product is only made when an order is placed, so you eliminate overproduction waste. So check out this category and see if any of the products fit your store.
And if I'm selling eco-friendly products, is there anything else that I should keep in mind? Any approaches, anything to avoid?
You definitely should avoid greenwashing your audience. Figure out what your brand stands for, show your values on your store, but also be ready to back up your claims. So use products that are certified organic. You can find out more information on our sustainability page.
So now that we've covered product trends, do you have any specific maybe strategy pointers for our sellers so that they can make sure that they make the most out of Black Friday, Cyber Monday?
One of the biggest conversion killers is setting up high shipping prices. So definitely look into your shipping pricing strategy and try to offer low price or free shipping to your customers. Another thing I can suggest is teasing your customers with an upcoming sale. Send out an email, for example, a week before your Black Friday, Cyber Monday sale, showing the products that you're going to offer and the discount so that they can sort of think through what they really want to buy. This is something that I see bigger brands do more often as these holidays are approaching us, and it creates just a more mindful shopping experience for the customer. Something else I can suggest is asking your customers what they want. Go on Instagram, do a poll there and let them tell you what they want and then give it to them. It's that simple. Last thing is offer discount on your best sellers, or try to bring best-selling designs that you might not even offer on your store anymore. Something that I see with mass market brands is that during the sale, something that's on good offer is usually either very seasonal or in like a shocking color. It's always a neon yellow sweater that's 70% off. It's never a black sweater, you know? Companies are trying to get rid of stock. You don't have that problem because you use POD, so you can build loyalty and give your customers exactly what they want by giving them a good discount on your bestsellers.
So we've given our viewers a bunch of tips on how to prepare for Cyber Week and for the holiday season, but what are we as Printful doing to prepare?
Obviously, this is the most important time of the year for our customers, which means it's a biggest priority for us as a company. We have 17 facilities worldwide ready to ship your orders. We're hiring extra team members to help with fulfillment so that your customers get their gifts on time. We're also staying on top of communication with you, so check Printful's website often for upcoming order deadlines and any other important information you might need.
Thank you so much for coming and for telling us all about holiday selling tips and Black Friday, Cyber Monday.
No problem, this was so much fun. And for more holiday selling tips, check out our Printful Academy or Printful blog.
So those are just a few of the e-commerce trends that we can expect to see in the upcoming season. And I'm sure there are many more that we'll see emerge as well. While you're looking for creative ways to engage your customers by promoting amazing deals, don't forget to save time to review the functionality of your store, which is why I recommend checking out our store review live streams right there, where our top experts dig into the structure of our customers' online stores and provide helpful feedback. Thanks for watching, and I hope this was helpful.